Hello students, today I am going to give review on what already you have studied in the earlier classes. Okay, so the first thing is number names. You know number names na? That is numbers they will give you. You have to convert into number names. Instance 54 is there. So how you write 54? F-I-F-T-Y-F-O-U-R. So 54. This way you can write na. That is a number names, right? One by one we will see, right? The review only we are going to see. So what we had learned before, the earlier classes, what you have learned, that only like a small review I am going to give you guys. Okay, the first thing is number names. So number names means what is that? So here 463 is there. So how you write? 463. This is number names. Okay. Now 6432. How can you write this? 4-digit number this is. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. So you have to write here 6,432. So you know the place values, no? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, what lakhs, 10 lakhs, it will be going on like that, right? Okay. Now, number names you know. Okay. The next thing is what? Counting by counts it is. Counting. Do you know what is counting? Counting means counting by tens. Counting by tens. Instance what? So 64 is there. Counting by tens means 64. This way it is there given means 74, 84, 94. This way you have to add 10, 10, 10 with each number. Okay. Now counting by hundreds. How you do this? Counting by hundreds means you have to add 100, 100, 100 this way. So 432 instance. Next 3 numbers you write instance. What you will do? So 532, 632, 732. So this is the way you can do the counting by hundreds. Okay. The next thing is largest number and smallest number. How can you find? Largest number and smallest number. The set of numbers they will give you, you have to write the smallest number. See, listen now. 43210, 635120. So, which is the number? Count the digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously, this one is the greater than this number. So, this is the largest number. This is the smallest number. That's it. Okay. Now, 4320. Here 4321. Here 4320. This is 4321. First number you check 44. This is also same 33. This is also same 22. The last number you see, this is 0. This is 1. So obviously this is the bigger number. So 4321 is the largest number and this is 4320 is the smallest number. Okay. So smallest number, greatest number we have seen. After that, ascending order and descending order. You know this, right? Ascending order means what? You have to write the numbers with the smallest to largest. Okay. Descending order, the same way you have to write the biggest number to the smallest number. Okay. Now, 4320, 6412, 1432. 2, 4, 3, 5. Okay. These are the set of numbers. So you have to write the numbers in the ascending order. How can you write ascending order? First I will write the ascending. Okay. So ascending order means what? First number you check it. Okay, this is the first number 4, 6, 1 and 2. Before that, how many digits are there? Here 4 digits, here 4 digits, here 4, here 4. Okay, fine then. Right. Then it is first number is what here? Lowest number it is 1. So 1, 4, 3, 2. The next number, after this one it is completed, it is over. Then you have to come here. 2, 4, 3, 5. The next number is 4, 3, 2, 0. The next number is 6, 4, 1, 2. Okay, this is the ascending order. And one more sum in the descending order I will tell you. 4, 9, 5, 0. 3, 2, 1, 5. 9, 1, 9, 4, 1, 3. 63. Okay. So here 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit and this is 2 digit. Okay. So we have to compare. This small, it's descending order I am going to do now. Descending order I am going to give. Here I will write. Descending order. Descending order, how can you write? Biggest number to smallest number. Which is the biggest number here? 9. So first number you have to check. So 4, this is 3, this is 9, 9,413. You have to write first. Then 4,950. Then 3,215. The last number is 63. Okay, this is the descending order. So you know guys, so how to write the ascending order and how to write the descending order. Already you learned, na? Okay, next thing is so what is the greatest number and the smallest number by using the given set of numbers? See, they will give some numbers. 5, 1, 9, 4, 8, 2, something. 6-digit number they have given. Okay, in this 6-digit number, you have to write the ascending, what is that? Smallest number. Smallest number you have to write and the biggest number you have to write. Largest number, greatest number, whatever it is. Greatest number you have to write that. Okay, smallest number means what? You have to write the smaller number to bigger number. First number is what here? Ascending order, you have to arrange the digits. If you arrange the digit in ascending order, you will be getting the smallest number. See, listen now. First 1, the next 2, next 4, then next 5, then next 8, then 9. This is the smallest number by given this number. They are given already. You have to write the ascending order. You will be getting the smallest number. Then biggest number. This one how can you do? Big to small. 9, 8, 5, 4, 2, 1. So you just reverse this number. You will be getting the biggest number. Right? Greatest number it is. So greatest number I got it. What? Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. This is a ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakhs. So how you pronounce? How you give the name here? So 9 lakhs 85,421. Right. The next is. Wait, I will give one more example here. So 3, 1, 4, 3. 6, 2, 5. So how can you write the smallest number? Here they will be giving some cluster of number here. By using this number you have to write the smallest number. So first 1 you write, 2 you write, 3 you write, 4 you write, 5 then 6. So this is the smallest number. Then greatest number. It's reverse of this. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the smallest number I can write and the greatest number also I have to write. Okay. Then next is what is meant by predecessor and what is meant by successor. Predecessor means what? The immediate next number, that is a predecessor. What is meant by successor? Predecessor means what? Immediate before that, right? Before the number. Successor means what? Immediate, the next number is successor. Okay, so here you just tell me predecessor. Predecessor means what? I'll give a number. Okay, the next number, immediate next number. You have to if you are writing immediate next number, that will be successor to you. Okay? The immediate before the number, that is a predecessor. Right? So, you have to subtract minus 1. What is that? You have to subtract minus 1. So, 4, 3, 2, 4 is your answer. Predecessor means before the number. Okay? For the successor that we want, success means what? I am moving forward. Right? It is next level I am going. That means what? Successor. It is an addition. Add 1. So 4, 3, 2, 6. It is addition of one number. Okay. It is successor. This is a predecessor. I will give one more number. 9, 2, 5, 6. Here, what is this? This is a predecessor. And this is a successor. Okay. What is this? 9, 2, 5, minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Alright. And successor means the next number. 9, 2, 5, 7. This is the successor. Okay. Fine. Then after that, predecessor is over. Successor is over. Then expansion of numbers. So expansion of numbers means, you know, it is in the three ways you have. You have expanded form. Expanded form in three ways. You know, right? Okay. Once again, I will give the how to write that in three ways. The first number I am just giving you 6, 8, 5, 7, 1. Okay, yeah. How can you write this in three ways? The first way I am writing here 6,000, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 60,000 plus 8,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 1. So this is the first expansion form. Okay. 60,000 plus 8,000, this plus 500 plus 70 plus 1. Because you know this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, this is 10,000. Okay. Next expansion, three ways, no? So first way I told you. Second way is 6 into 1,000, 10,000. 6 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 1 into 1. So the place values I have written, it is separately. That is what second way of writing the expansion. Okay. The next thing is 6 into the powers I can write. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to the power of 4 plus 8 into 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the power of 3 plus 5 into 1, 1, 2. 10 to the power of 2, 7 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 10 to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 0 is 1 here. Okay. So this way I can write the expansion form in the three ways. Three ways of expansion is this way. Right. The next thing is place value. Already this place value, you know. So place value means it is the value of that place. Na? So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 is there. What is the place value of 2 in this number? What is the place value of 2 of this number? Means it is ones, tens, hundreds. Na? This is 2 into 100. This is 200 is your answer. So what is the place value of 5 in 6, 3, 5, 2, 1, 0? Okay. Here what is the number here? What is the place value of 5? So ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So I can write 5 into 1,000. That is 5,000 is the place value for you.